All right, CAD 200. This is a offset section view. And I've had some questions on the 2 times 25 diameter countersink, a 2 times 25 diameter, and then the countersink of 50 millimeter by 84 with a slot in it. First of all, draw your top views. These are your countersinks. Let's go ahead and put our cutting plane in. Your cutting plane is going to be simple. It's going to be through every object. So your cutting plane is going to come through here, go up, it's going to go through your slot, come over here to this hole here, go through that hole, back out. Since the bottom view will come be your section, you got to go up with your arrows. Same way on this side. Okay, I'm not going to put the arrows. The arrows go here and here, and just say A and A. Now to do your countersink, pretty simple. Project your lines down. Using orthographic projection. We're going to go ahead and make the center down through here. Go back to the line command, quadrant, perpendicular. I can do the same with the through hole. This is the through hole when it comes to a countersink. It's going to be repeat line command. Actually going to do a quadrant to perpendicular. Alright. Now since this is, what is it, an 84 degrees, that means it's going to be 42 degrees this way, 42 degrees this way. So what we want to do is start on the outside with the line right here. We're going to use the polar method of entering in geometry. Remember, with the @ symbol, we're just going to enter in an arbitrary distance of 50. Right now we're at 270. We're going to tab over to that field. We're at 270 here. We got to go this way, so we have to subtract 42, which is half. Is it 42? Yeah, which is half of 84, which will give us what? 228. Enter. One or two ways to get that line on this side, because you have to have that countersink here also. We can do a mirror from the center point here. Make sure your ortho F8's on. Oops, I missed it. Do it again. Repeat mirror. Piece of geometry on mirror. Mirror point. Alright, rotate. No. Alright, so that's one way of doing it. Or you can do it using your polar method. L, snap here, put @ which is arbitrary distance of 50, tab over. Now we're going to have to add 42 to the 270 this time, which will give us 312. Okay? One or two ways of doing that. Now that we have it, we're going to put a line across here to here. I'm going to trim, TR, enter. Trim this out. This out. I need to trim the longer lines that we put in there. Just delete these by using your delete key, and we'll keep this center line in here. Okay, we don't need these projections anymore. Delete them. Delete them. Alright, this is basically the center line. I need to change that to center line layer. Alright, that's how you do the countersink. So the through hole is 50. Excuse me, the through hole is 25. From here to here is 50, as it says. And then this is 84 degrees. Let's check it just to make sure. Go to your angular. Pop one here. Oop. Repeat angular. 84 degrees. Alright, that's how you do the countersink. Make sure you get the call out up here on it. Looks just like the book. 2 times a 0.25 through. And 0.50 on the countersink. Any questions? Just shoot me an email. And this is actually, this needs to be a phantom line here with an arrow on the end of it. That's how your section line is going to go through your slot. It's going to go through your other, looks like you got another 25 through hole right here. Alright, let me know if you got any questions.